China's courts must learn from wrongful convictions and work to prevent injustice, the nation's top judge says. In a report to the annual parliament session, Supreme People's Court Chief Justice Zhou Qiang said processes for correcting mistakes were needed. His comments come months after a high-profile case sparked debate. A court exonerated a teenager executed 18 years ago for rape and murder. Another man has since been convicted and sentenced to death for the crime. With regard to miscarriages of justice, we deeply reprove ourselves and demand that courts at all levels draw profound lessons, and further strengthen the effective prevention of unjust and false cases and timely correction mechanisms, the Chief Justice said. He said courts reheard 1,317 cases in 2014 and corrected a number of wrongful ones, according to Xinhua news agency. China's courts have a very high conviction rate. In 2013, it stood at 99.9%, according to the top court. Rights groups highlight political control over courts, judicial corruption, the use of force by police to extract confessions and inadequate access by defendants to lawyers as factors in this. In one potential step forward, in January the Communist Party said targets for arrests and convictions would be abolished, according to a report carried by Xinhua news agency. But China remains the world's most prolific user of the death penalty, according to rights groups. The case that attracted nationwide attention involved Zhou, an Inner Mongolian teenager who went by one name, who was 18 when executed for rape and murder in 1996. Xinhua reported that Zhou had tried to help save the woman after hearing her cry out from a public toilet. He reported the crime to police, but was then put on trial for it. In 2005, serial rapist and murderer Zhai Haihong confessed to police that he had attacked the woman. There have been other well-reported cases. In May 2010, a man jailed for murder was freed when his supposed victim reappeared. He said police beat a confession out of him.